monitor? No problem. Here is how to enable SSH on your Raspberry Pi.
You will need a laptop, mobile phone and a Raspberry Pi. Open Raspberry Pi imager, select the Raspberry Pi, choose OS.
Connect the memory card to laptop. Edit settings. Set your host name, then set your password. Configure the wireless LAN, should be mobile hotspot SSID and password. Enable SSH. Use password authentication. Don't forget the password and username. We need to log in with it. Eject the memory card and insert it to the Raspberry Pi. Then connect 15 watt adapter. Power on. Open mobile hotspot settings. Wait for the Raspberry Pi to connect to the hotspot. Tap on the connected Raspberry Pi. Get the IP address. Open PuTTY software on laptop. Enter the IP address shown in the mobile. Enter the username as login. Then enter the password.